We have some breaking news coming in. I'm being told that Aditya Birla subsidiary Novelis Inc. has filed for an IPO in the United States, and they're offering 45 million shares in a price band of $18 to $21 per share. The company is, of course, targeting a valuation of up to $12.6 billion in its U.S. IPO. Aishwarya, my colleague, is live with us, getting us more details. Aishwarya, take us through what the company has really filed, and of course, as far as this IPO is concerned, massive valuation they're looking at of $12.6 billion.
That's correct. Sumita, as you said, Aditya Birla's subsidiary Novelis has filed for its U.S. IPO. As far as the IPO is concerned, as you mentioned, 45 million shares is what is targeted. The price band has been set anywhere between $18 to $21 per share. Novelis earlier actually filed their IPO papers, which is the U.S. SEC version of it, on 14th of May. Now the SEC the US version of the papers is Form F1, which is the registration required for foreign companies that will be listed on the US Stock Exchange. As far as Novelis is concerned, the lead book runners here are Morgan Stanley, we have BofA Securities as well as Citigroup, and additionally we have some other book runners such as Wells Fargo, Deutsche Bank, as well as BMO Capital Markets as well. Apart from that, we also have some co-managers like BNP Paribas, Academy Securities, so on and so forth, and a couple of others on board to manage this US IPO. As far as Novelis is concerned, it is an American industrial company headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia in the US, and it is an independent subsidiary of the multinational and is does manufacture aluminum as well as copper in line with the Hindalco Industries. Now, Novelis, on the other hand, is also one of the world's biggest flat-rolled aluminum products maker, and Hindalco, of course, purchased it back in 2007 as a multi-billion-dollar deal. So this is the wholly owned subsidiary of Hindalco as well as the Aditya Birla Group clan overall. So this is the update on their US IPO, and we'll see how the markets react tomorrow as we speak after this particular IPO that they have filed.
Yes, in fact, Aishwarya, this has been talked about for a very long time. In fact, the filing has come in now, as you were mentioning about SEC Form F1, that is the registration needed for foreign companies to list on the US exchange. So once again, reiterating the news that's coming in, Novelis, that is owned by billionaire Kumar Mangalam Birla's Hindalco Industries, has filed its IPO papers in the United States. The aluminum products maker has also said that the company is targeting a whopping valuation of up to $12.6 billion as far as its US IPO is concerned. Will be interesting to really see how the markets really react to it, how the stock really reacts to this news tomorrow. And shifting focus now to an exclusive.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.